Hola amigos, I'm Andy and today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade flour tortillas. Once you try these, you'll never want to buy store-bought ones again. Let's get started. I've got 2.5 cups of plain flour. I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. With the help of a fork, a pastry blender, or your hands, we're gonna mix through 75 grams of vegetable shortening, which I've cut into small little cubes to make it easier to mix through the flour. We're going to pinch the vegetable shortening into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Slowly add 1 cup of hot, not boiling water, a little at a time until the dough holds together. Do not add all the water at once because you might not use the entire cup if it's humid. So we're gonna be kneading for a couple of minutes until the dough becomes nice and smooth. Our dough is nice and smooth. Now we're going to divide it into 12 equal pieces. I like to roll my dough into a log shape. That way it's easier to portion out. Perfect. We've got 12 pieces. We're gonna roll each one into a small disc shape. Cover with a damp tea towel or cling film and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Resting your dough will relax the gluten and it will make it easier to roll out. Okay, 30 minutes have passed. It's time to roll out our tortillas. I make a lot of tortillas, so I got a tortilla press, which is the perfect tool. I've just cut a Ziploc bag around the edges so it resembles a book. That way the dough doesn't stick. If you don't have a tortilla press, you can use a heavy-based frying pan. Simply press down firmly and you'll get the same result. I like to have an assembly line while frying my tortillas. Tortillas, tortilla press, hot dry pan, tea towel. Let's start frying our tortillas. Place the tortilla on a dry pan over medium-high heat. This step is a really quick one. Be careful with your timing. During the first 30 seconds, the tortilla starts forming air bubbles and light brown spots will show at the bottom. Turn the tortilla and during the next 20 seconds, more air bubbles will continue to form. Turn again and at this time the tortilla will puff up. This last step will take about 10 seconds. Cook just long enough to lightly brown the tortilla in spots. Don't cook too long or the tortillas will be crisp. You want them to be soft and pliable when you serve them. Remove the tortilla and start to stack them up under a tea towel to keep them warm. So that's it. These tortillas are soft, flaky, and so tasty. I hope you give these a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Adios, amigos!